Welcome, wanderers of the world. Prepare to be transported to the Iran, where the echoes of poets and the whispers of history intertwine to create a tapestry of enchantment. As we meander through the bustling streets and serene gardens of this cultural gem, we invite you to open your hearts to the beauty and mystery that surrounds you. Join us on a journey of discovery and delight, where each step reveals a new chapter in the story of Iran. From the majestic mosques to the fragrant gardens, from the vibrant markets to the tranquil courtyards, let us together uncover the hidden treasures of this mesmerizing city. So grab your virtual walking shoes, embrace the spirit of adventure, and get ready to be captivated by the magic of Iran. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating escapades. Let's embark on this unforgettable journey together. Today we are walking in Hefta Sharar neighborhood. This neighborhood is named after a square with the same name. It is full of bazaars and shopping complexes and shops that tourists who come to Mashhad generally choose here for shopping because of the concentration of shops. On the Hefta Sharar, you can buy all kinds of clothes, shoes, souvenirs, and whatever a traveler needs. The price of goods in Hefta Sharar is extremely low, and this has made it famous among all travelers. We hope you enjoy seeing this bazaar.
Camera.